Sunday Smooth Jam, your music hideaway on RW 95.1 FM.
RW time is exactly 5 o'clock.
Namamayagpag RW 95.1 FM.
Dekalidad na musika at napapanahong balita. RW 95.1 FM. 16th, 20th, 24th at 27th KBP Golden Dove Awards Best Provincial FM Station sa Pilipinas.
RW 95.1 FM.
Kasapi ng kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas. Luka rin ka pa. Kanina ka.
Wrap yourself in the warm vibes of our music. The perfect playlist for an easy Sunday. Feel good music. Sunday Smooth Jam on RW 95.1 FM. Sunday Smooth Jam, your music hideaway on RW 95.1 FM.
RW time is 9:46.
Tungkol sa commercials. Nagtataka ba kayo kung bakit 99.9% lang ang germs na napapatay ng alcohol? Hindi dahil may pasaway na germ o mamatay. May code on responsible advertising na gumagabay sa lahat ng advertisers. Bawat claim binubusisi para sa ikabubuti ng Filipino consumer. Kapag di totoo, no go. May standards kami. Kaya may Ad Standards Council. Learn more at ase.com.ph.
Get updated. Know the latest. Be with the trend wherever you are. Just like and follow our official Facebook page, RW 95.1 FM, and listen to your favorite programs via online streaming. Visit www.rw951.fm and click the play button for easy access. Bookmark the streaming link on your mobile phone. Luka rin ka pa. Kanina ka.
Where there's good music, there's RW 95.1 FM.